G'day guys, welcome to Shop Talk 13. And in this particular one, if you got it, show it. As simple as that. Biggest thing I've been doing lately is I've been upgrading essentially my shelving. I've been going a bit more vertical with my stock out the front of the store for people to see. Purely for the fact of people come into a shop, if people don't see a price tag and don't see the item they're looking for, if you're possibly like me, I probably wouldn't bother asking. I'd walk in, I'd look around, I'd leave. If I got to ask for a price, unless it's something I really desperately want at that point in time, I'm probably not going to go, oh, how much is this device over here? Oh, it actually ends up being $50 cheaper online. Then I'm probably just going to walk out and feel like I've wasted your time, wasted my time. So I find that I've been adding verticality in the shop. From there I can display a lot more things. I can put all the stock I've got on there, or everything that I've got one of. If it's cables, I tend to put about 3 out at a time. If it's adapters, motherboards, processors, graphics cards, hard drives, I usually just stick out one. Purely so then people know that I've got it. If it's sold, I'll grab one from out the back and put it back and replace that one that just got sold. I find that the simple fact of having visibility of all your stock means there's no real questions of, oh, do you have this? It's, if you see absolutely everything that's out there, it's probably going to end up leading to a sale. Simple fact is, if you have, let's say, my most recent upgrade was shelving for keyboards and mice. Instead of only having one keyboard, one mouse out there, or one wireless, one corded, now I've got about 5 different varieties all sitting there on the shelf, all priced, all ready for a customer to take down, have a quick look at, and if they want it, they can buy it. As simple as that. Yet if I only have 2 of them out there and there's another 3 out the back, that's a potential missed sale purely because the customer doesn't know what you actually have. So I find that if you can maximize your stock out on the shelves so it's all visible for your customers, it doesn't necessarily need to be an easy reach for the customer as long as they can see that you've got it. I find that some of the valuable stuff I tend to keep high above the counter or behind the counter on shelving, and they're potentially larger item or more expensive items that are physically smaller, stuff like RAM and NVMe drives and SD cards, where people can see that you've got it, they can see the price, they can ask to have a look if they want a closer look, but it's not something someone will quickly just grab off the shelf, shove up a shirt and run out the store. The larger things I'm happy to have out on the floor because someone carrying off a computer case, it's going to be very obvious from a theft standpoint. So if you've got it, show it, and I hope that helps, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.